Hello friends, this is Alena. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a tutorial on this pretty greeting card. I prepared the card base and lots of die cuts. The first die cut I'm going to use needs to be lifted from the card base, and I'm using double-sided puff tape for that. Lifting layers will give nice volume and prevent the projects to be looking flat. I used vintage paper collection and regular cardstock to make die cuts for this card. I'm placing another layer of paper on top to make the background frame stand out more, and then I stack all the rest die cuts on top of each other. Sometimes I cut die cuts in several pieces to use them separately, like I did with these swirls. I decided to glue as many leaves underneath the flower as possible. Now my card is almost ready. As a final touch, I applied glitter to butterflies and to wooden chipboard to make it look more festive, and I also used some golden flakes on my flower and on the leaves. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube knows that you want to see more from me, or you can also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.